one more time, welcome to this wonderful and amazing event. Of course, tonight ay pupurihin po natin ito ng pagmamahalan kasiyahan. But before anything else, allow me to introduce ang people na makakasama nyo who will give joy, happiness, and unforgettable memories. Third grade, of course, would like to flex our DJ, our spinner for tonight, Dex of Host Albertine. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, these two handsome gentlemen na nandito po sa harapan. We have here our program assistants slash choreographers, the dynamic duo, Kyle and John. And yes, muli po ang nakatayo sa inyong harapan. This is Host Edward, and it's a pleasure to have you all today.
With somebody who loves me.
Simulan na po natin ang kasiyahan. Let us now meet the key person who took a great part for this job.